What is thread lifecycle in Java?
In Java, a thread can be in any of 6 states at any given time. 1. New thread. A new thread is in the new state when it is created. When the thread is in this condition, it has not yet begun to run. A thread's code has not yet run and has not begun to execute when it is in the new state. 2. Runnable state. A ready-to-run thread is transferred to a runnable state. A thread may be actively running in this state or it may be prepared to begin at any moment. The thread scheduler is in charge of giving the thread enough time to run. Each thread in a multi-threaded software receives a defined amount of time. Every thread runs for a brief period of time before pausing and handing over the CPU to another thread so that others might have a chance to run. When this occurs, the thread that is now executing and any similar threads that are waiting for the CPU are in a runnable condition. 3. Blocked. When a thread tries to acquire a lock but the lock has already been obtained by another thread, the thread will be in a blocked state. When the thread obtains the lock, it will transition from the blocked state to the runnable state. 4. Waiting state. When the wait or join methods are used, the thread will be in the waiting state. When another thread notifies it or when that thread is terminated, it will transition to the runnable state. 5. Time waiting is when a thread calls a method with a timeout argument. It is in a time waiting state. Until the timeout expires or notice is received, a thread is in this state. For instance, a thread enters a time waiting state when it calls sleep or a conditional wait. 6. Terminated state. A thread terminates because of either of 2 reasons. 1. How it frequently departs. This occurs when the program has finished running the thread's full code. 2. Because a strange error happened, such as a segmentation fault or an unhandled exception. Like, share, subscribe for more videos.